Everybody, I'm Austin with Brother in Arms, and in this video, we're just going to be going over how to conduct a tactical reload with both a pistol and a rifle. And so, with a tactical reload, you're going to be using this if you're in a lull and fight somewhere, you're doing room clearing, whatever you may be doing, and you still have rounds in your gun. However, you want to top up your gun with a full magazine. You've taken care of the threat, conducted your battlefield checks. So, with a tactical reload, I always like to hold the new magazine between my pointer and my middle finger. That way I can grab my old magazine with my pointer finger and my thumb. So all you're gonna do is eject the mag. And like I said, I like to use these two fingers. That way I can pull my old mag out. I still have my new mag between my middle finger and my pointer finger. That way I can insert it, make sure it seats, and then I can take this mag and stow it into the mag pouch, and I can get back to doing whatever I'm doing. Okay, now with a rifle, it's about the same. You've taken care of the threat, you've done what you need to do, but now you want to top up off your gun with a new magazine that's full. With this, me being a lefty, it's a little bit weird. However, I like to hold my new magazine in between all four fingers. That way I can come around and I can still grab the old magazine while still pressing the magazine release. That way I can pull the old magazine out. I can basically twist it in an L and insert the new magazine. That way I can stow my old magazine, come up, tap, do whatever I need to do. Now, if you're a righty, it's a little bit easier for you. So since you can use your pointer finger on your right hand to hit the mag release, it's a whole lot easier to hold both of the mags at the same time. So you've been shooting, you bring your gun into your workspace, and as a righty, you can hold your new magazine basically with these two fingers, holding it up against your palm. That way you can come around and grab your old mag with the three fingers that are left, hit the or the mag release with your pointer finger, eject that mag, twist in an L the same way a lefty would do, insert that new mag, and then you can stow your old mag in a dump pouch in the mag pouch that you just pulled the new one out of, whatever you need to do, and you can get back to the fight. All right, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all are getting helpful tips and stuff like that from these videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button, liking the video, sharing it with your friends and family. And if you're interested in any of the gear that I run or anything like that, I'll always have it linked down in the description box below. But until next time, y'all have a blessed rest of y'all's day.